Today we'll be talking about how to use the feature combine, which is located on the insert features. Here it is combined. So this has a lot of important activities in the SolidWorks that not too many people are using it. Very useful command. I'll show you how to use today and get benefited with this command. So here we are going to be very specific on this command combine, okay, which is located on the feature insert feature. Okay, so it is basically it is like this, this is what you will make. Okay, let me start from the beginning. I'm pressing Control N and then new part. On the new part, choose the plane and I'm pressing the S key. If you press the S key, you see this kind of a thing will come, a little menu. Here you can choose. You don't have to go all this far here and then click and come back. So now I'm making S key and then again I'm pressing the S key. Click this for the dimension, for the diameter. So I'm having 100 mm. Again I'm pressing the S key, extrude. So that's going to be 100 mm again. So click OK. So what I'm going to do is, because we need to cut something here inside, so I'm going to make a plane, choose the front, flip offset, so it will go offset 50 mm. So that is going to be okay. And then I'm choosing the plane, right clicking the mouse and click the sketch. So here I'm pressing the S key again and draw a square. Okay, so let me make a square. Make a square. Mm. 30 mm. Press OK. Make sure to unclick this merge result. If this is clicked, by default it is clicked. We need to make this feature this one unclicked. So we are unclicking it. Press OK. So when you come to this section, you will find on the solid bodies two. So this is one body and this is one body. So here you see you find two bodies. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this part on this part, just subtract it, subscribe, reduce, let me see, I'm not exactly getting that word. Reduce this part on this part. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to select this part and this part, go to insert, go to features, click combine. So here we can see subtract. Oh, it is the word is subtract. Sorry, subtract. Okay. So I'm going to show you how to subtract this part and with this part. So you can see the preview. So this is how it looks after doing it. Okay, you will have the whole. If you want to have a common so this is the common, it will cut out the common item. Okay, this feature this will make the entire feature as one body. Okay, so let us do only the subtract part. So click OK. Here you go. You don't need to when you make two parts, if you want to do some kind of a detection on it, you don't have to do extrude cut command separately. You can use this command and try using it every day, incorporating into your working style. You will find a lot of benefits with this. Okay, so this is how it looks after doing it. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon.